This 2017 Airstream International Serenity 27 FBQ Queen is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream and RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features Oyster UL, Asian sand interior, sleeps 5, awning, microwave, leveling jacks, water heater, smoke detector, stovetop burner, refrigerator, external shower, spare tire kit, LP detector, and 39 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Airstream International Serenity 27 FBQ Queen is 5,868 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.